In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a personal Google account to Make.com. By the end, you'll have a working connection you can reuse across scenarios to automate tasks in Gmail, Google Sheets, or Google Drive. Start by opening Make.com and creating a new scenario. This is your blank canvas where you'll add apps and build automations. It's helpful to give your scenario a clear name so you know what it's for later, but that's optional. Next, add a Google app to the canvas. Click the plus button and search for the Google service you want to use. Google Sheets, Gmail, or Google Drive are all great starting points. Any of these will work because the connection process is the same. Pick the one that matches what you plan to automate. Now, choose an action or trigger within that app. For example, in Google Sheets, you might select Watch New Rows to have Make.com listen for new entries. Triggers like Watch start the automation when something happens, while actions like Create or Update do something in response. Either is fine here. The goal is simply to get to the connection screen. In the module settings, look for the connection field and click Add. This tells Make.com you want to link a Google account that the module can use. You can name the connection if you like, especially if you'll have multiple accounts later. Sign into your Google account when prompted. Choose your personal account for this setup, and make sure you pick the same one that has access to the files or inbox you intend to use. If your browser has multiple Google logins, double-check you're selecting the right profile. If nothing happens, ensure pop-ups are allowed for Make.com. When Google asks for permissions, click Allow. Make.com only receives the specific access required by the app and action you chose. It's always a good idea to review the listed permissions so you understand what's being granted. Back in Make.com, save the connection. From now on, that saved connection will appear in the drop-down for any Google module in this and future scenarios, so you won't need to reconnect each time. Finally, test your setup by clicking Run once. Watch for a successful run indicator, and, if applicable, sample data pulled from your Google app. If you see an error, verify you selected the right account and that the chosen file, inbox, or folder exists and is accessible. That's it. Your personal Google account is now connected to Make.com. Thanks for watching.